Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a bonus reading for you. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. And if you want to get a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yes, you can follow me on Instagram where the readings are done in English as well as in Hindi. And the link of that is also given in the description box below. So let's get started, Leos. Wow. Okay. Okay, Leos. I think over here you started off as with a very beautiful connection where there is definitely a relationship out here which is very balanced, very beautiful in every way, and it is providing a lot of healing. Okay, so you are dealing with a connection, you have somebody there, and you plan to have a home with this person. Okay, so either you already have it or you plan to have it, but yes, that is at the back of this relationship that yes, you want a commitment basically, or you are having a commitment with this person, whosoever the person you are dealing with. Okay, and yes, and there is a progress also in that direction. There is a progress, somebody here is there who is, you are moving in that direction towards commitment. Okay, so the relationship is stepping up and it is moving forward, and with the Empress over here it is a new beginning. So what I feel here is that definitely there is stepping up of this relationship, and this relationship is, perhaps it is that commitment is coming in, perhaps you are moving in, perhaps you are marrying. It is something like that, which is a new beginning definitely. Okay, but then something is happening which is burdening you. Something is burdening you over here. It is either the responsibilities, either the relationship itself. It is something which is burdening you. It can be something else also. It not necessarily that all the energies will be of a relationship only. They are just. It can be resonating with some other sphere of your life. But yes, something is there in your life which is burdening you, and which is causing you depressed. Which is causing depression to you. You are very very upset over something. You feel as if there is, it's an emotional loss basically. It's something which is causing a loss of emotion, in the sense you are feeling very very emotional about that loss, whatever you've lost something. Okay, you are unhappy, maybe something happens in this relationship or something, but yes, something is definitely burdening you, Leos, and this is causing you depressed. It's upsetting you a lot, and you are very very focused on that fact, as to analyzing it, as to what's happening. It's in your head totally, this thing, and it is causing you to be very very defensive basically. You are becoming very very defensive because of this situation, whatever this situation is. Very guarded, very defensive. Or maybe somebody was like that to you, and that is why you've become depressed. It can be that maybe you didn't like the ways of this person, maybe this person was very rude to you, and that is why you are unhappy in this situation, whatever the situation is. And see, you are trying to come out of this situation, though you are happy over something. So what I feel is that you are trying to solve this issue, whatever this is in your head, and you are trying to, maybe you're discussing it with the friends, maybe you're trying to go out with your friends, party with your friends, or try to talk with your friends so that you feel happy. It can be that. That's what, maybe that's more, that's a more of a chance that you're talking to your friends, being in touch with your friends so that they help you to come out of this negativity, of this depression, whatever it is upsetting you. And with the King of Swords, you two are here. I think there are two people, King and the Queen of Swords. Both of you are, I think, very, very guarded out here, and very guarded, very blunt, and being very strategic with each other. I think it is the, maybe this relationship is not working the way you thought perhaps, and that is becoming a burden. It can be that, because here it is again followed by the Five of Pentacles, which is again you are feeling left out in the cold, you feel rejected, ignored, upset again. So I think it is this relationship itself which started off beautifully and it's becoming a burden, being upset, and both of you are very, very guarded, maybe even rude, cutting each other off to the extent that you're minimally talking. And you feel left out, you feel very ignored. Things have just, though you are trying to solve the situation either by talking to each other, and maybe it solves for some time, it can be that also, and it can be maybe you are being in touch with your friends to take their advice to solve it, it can be that. But whatever it is, but you feel left out in the cold, things are just not happening basically. And then this situation ends with the Death card. This scenario is ending, whatever the situation is, it is definitely ending. Something is ending in this situation. And with the Two of Swords, again you become very, very defensive to yourself, trying to analyze as to what happened, why it happened, being in touch with your intuition, and you're trying to get the answers to this solution, and you want to get out of this situation basically. And you will do that because you are immediately becoming victorious. You are getting victory on your emotions. That's what I feel. You are regaining the victory of your emotions. You will set things right. I think the situation will end. You will take some time to come out of it, yes, but then you will emerge victorious. You will be able to come out of the situation. Because again over here, it is a struggle with the Seven of Clubs over here. It is a struggle to stay ahead. So basically it has become a fight. It was a relationship which was supposed to be very beautiful at the onset. That's what it is. It's moving on beautifully. Everything started off in a beautiful way, but something happened that it became, this relationship has become a burden for you now, and you are not happy with it. And maybe it ends. Maybe the relationship ends or the situation ends, but yes, something is ending here, causing you are taking the time. You feel very guarded and upset, but yes, you will come out of it. It's becoming a struggle. You have to understand that you have to leave this struggle if you want to end this situation and come out of it. Okay, Leo, so I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.